Now, we will look at how the vehicle's theft alarm system works. After closing all the doors, while the smart key is not inside the vehicle, lock the door by touching the door lock sensor of the door's external handle or by pressing the door lock button on the smart key. The emergency warning lights will flash once, and the alarm will sound as the theft alert system goes into armed stage. While in armed stage, if a door, the engine hood, or another part is randomly opened for purposes such as theft without using the lock sensor of the door and no smart key, then the device goes into alarm mode. System goes into theft alarm stage. The emergency warning lights will flash for 30 seconds, and the alarm will sound and stop after 10 seconds. This cycle will repeat twice. In armed stage or theft alarm stage, press the smart key's door unlock button to unlock the door. The system goes into disarmed stage with the emergency warning lights flashing twice. If the door or trunk is not opened within approximately 30 seconds after unlocking all doors, use one of the various door unlock buttons. The door is locked and vehicle enters armed stage again.
Kia, movement that inspires.